look at the TV screen and I'd lose myself in a dream. I'd be dancing on a ballroom floor and I'd dance till I can't dance anymore. And I'd sing into a big microphone in the spotlight out on my own. And I'd be what I wanted to be on the big screen of the TV. If I'd known what I know now, then I'd sing and dance anyhow. And I'd be what I wanted to be on the big screen of the TV. The term at school came round and all the flames were burned right out. And there's an end to all of my dreams on the TV and the big screen. And I never thought that I'd be locked and molded to society. If I